Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Zalfa Naila Azizah dengan NPM 231102030814. Saya akan mempraktikkan pembelajaran game based learning pada mata kuliah game based learning yang diampu oleh dosen pengampu Dr. Reni Yeni, CPTNA. Selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi dan semangat pagi anak-anak. Anak-anak, apa kabarnya hari ini? Alhamdulillah, semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat dan semangat belajar ya. Sebelum kita memulai pembelajaran hari ini, mari kita membaca doa terlebih dahulu agar pembelajaran kita berjalan dengan lancar. Halo, sebelumnya perkenalkan, nama saya Zalfa Naila Azizah. Di kesempatan kali ini saya akan menemani kalian mempelajari tentang IPA, materi yang menyenangkan yaitu tentang tata surya dan planet-planetnya. Anak-anak, tahukah kalian bahwa matahari, bulan, bumi, dan planet-planet lainnya berada dalam satu sistem yang disebut tata surya? Anak-anak, di pagi hari saat kita berangkat sekolah, kita sering melihat matahari ada di atas kepala kita. Dan di malam hari, kita sering melihat bulan yang suka menerangi langit. Hari ini, kita akan belajar tentang tata surya dengan cara yang berbeda. Ibu akan menggunakan aplikasi AR Planet agar kita bisa melihat model planet dengan cara yang lebih nyata. Anak-anak, coba perhatikan layar yang ada di depan kita. Yang sedang kita lihat yaitu merupakan tata surya. Apa sih tata surya itu? Jadi, tata surya adalah kumpulan benda langit yang terdiri atas matahari sebagai pusat dan berbagai benda langit yang mengelilinginya, seperti planet, satelit, asteroid, dan juga komet. Planet-planet bergerak mengelilingi matahari pada jalurnya masing-masing, yang disebut dengan orbit. Nah, kita lihat. Di sini ada planet-planet yang mengelilingi matahari sesuai dengan jalurnya masing-masing. Mereka berputar tanpa henti dan selalu. Selain itu, kita bisa melihat penjelasan dari tata surya.
Welcome to the solar system, our cosmic neighborhood within the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, hundreds of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and other small objects. Everything is held together by the Sun's powerful gravity. Scientists believe the solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gas and dust. Over time, this material came together to create the Sun, planets, and countless smaller worlds. The Sun contains more than 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system, making it the dominant object around which everything orbits. Fun fact, sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to Earth. Did you know? The Sun takes about 230 million years to complete a single orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy.
Lalu selanjutnya Ibu akan menunjukkan mengenai bentuk dari matahari.
Sun, our star.
Matahari merupakan pusat tata surya dan sumber cahaya serta panas bagi seluruh planet. Tanpa matahari, bumi akan gelap dan kehidupan tidak akan pernah berlangsung dengan baik. Lalu selanjutnya Ibu akan menunjukkan mengenai bentuk dari matahari.
Sun, our star. The Sun is the star at the center of our solar system and the source of nearly all the energy that supports life on Earth. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion deep within its core. Every second, enormous amounts of energy are released as heat and light. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and has a radius of nearly 696,000 kilometers. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun, and it contains over 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is currently helping scientists study the sun more closely than ever before. Did you know? Although it seems enormous to us, the sun is considered an average-sized star compared to many others in the universe.
Selanjutnya ada macam-macam dari planet yang ada di tata surya, seperti Merkurius, Venus, Bumi, Mars, Jupiter, Saturnus, Uranus, dan Neptunus. Coba kita lihat yang Merkurius dulu.
Mercury, the swiftest planet.
Nah, ini merupakan bentuk dari planet Merkurius. Planet pertama yaitu planet Merkurius. Merkurius merupakan planet yang paling dekat dengan matahari dan juga planet terkecil yang ada dalam tata surya. Kita bisa lihat dari dekat dan juga bisa kita perkecil. Nah, bentuk dari planet Merkurius seperti ini. Terdapat
Mercury, the swiftest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest planet to the sun. Because it has almost no atmosphere, temperatures on Mercury vary dramatically between day and night. Days are extremely hot, while nights become incredibly cold. A year on Mercury lasts just 88 Earth days, while a single day lasts 176 Earth days. Mercury's crater-covered surface closely resembles Earth's moon. Spacecraft such as Mariner 10 and Messenger have helped reveal the secrets of this small world. Did you know? A single day on Mercury lasts longer than its entire year.
Lalu planet yang kedua adalah planet Venus. Coba kita lihat.
Venus, the hottest planet.
Venus dikenal sebagai planet terpanas karena memiliki atmosfer yang sangat tebal. Nih. Planet Venus berbentuk seperti ini. Selain itu, ada contoh dari planet Venus.
Venus, the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. Despite these similarities, Venus is an extremely hostile world. Thick clouds trap heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Surface temperatures are hot enough to melt lead. Venus also rotates backward compared to most planets, causing the sun to appear to rise in the west and set in the east. NASA's Magellan mission mapped much of Venus beneath its dense cloud cover. Did you know? A day on Venus is longer than its year.
Planet yang ketiga yaitu planet Bumi, yaitu planet yang sedang kita tempati.
Earth, our home planet.
Bumi merupakan tempat tinggal manusia dan berbagai makhluk hidup lainnya. Bumi itu satu-satunya planet yang bisa ditinggali. Planet Bumi, seperti yang kita lihat, terdapat hutan, hijau, dan biru dari lautan.
Earth, our home planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only world known to support life. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by liquid water, creating ideal conditions for life to thrive. Earth's atmosphere protects living things from harmful radiation, while its magnetic field helps shield the planet from charged particles from the sun. Thousands of satellites orbit Earth, helping us study weather, climate, and space. Did you know Earth is not a perfect sphere? It bulges slightly around the equator because of its rotation.
Selanjutnya, planet yang keempat, kita akan melihat planet Mars.
Mars, the red planet.
Bentuk dari planet Mars seperti ini. Mars dikenal sebagai planet merah karena warnanya tampak kemerahan, seperti yang sedang kita lihat. Dengan penjelasan seperti ini.
Mars, the red planet. Mars is often called the red planet because of the iron-rich dust covering its surface. It is a cold desert world with polar ice caps, dust storms, and evidence that rivers and lakes once existed long ago. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, one of the largest canyon systems ever discovered. Robotic explorers, including Curiosity and Perseverance, continue to search for clues about Mars' past. Did you know sunsets on Mars can appear blue instead of red?
Planet kelima yang akan kita lihat yaitu planet Jupiter.
Jupiter, the largest planet.
Jupiter merupakan planet terbesar yang ada di tata surya, seperti yang sedang kita lihat. Dengan penjelasan seperti ini.
Jupiter, the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. This giant world is made mostly of hydrogen and helium and is more massive than all the other planets combined. Jupiter's atmosphere is famous for its colorful cloud bands and the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has been raging for centuries. The planet currently has 95 known moons. NASA's Juno spacecraft is studying Jupiter and helping scientists better understand its structure and origins. Did you know Jupiter's immense gravity influences countless asteroids and comets throughout the solar system?
Lalu planet keenam yang akan kita lihat yaitu planet Saturnus.
Saturn, the ringed planet.
Nah, ini merupakan planet Saturnus. Saturnus itu dikenal dengan planet yang memiliki cincin yang mengelilingi planetnya, seperti yang sedang kita lihat. Planet Saturnus yang berputar itu tetap planetnya, sementara cincinnya tidak ikut berputar, seperti yang sedang kita lihat.
Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system and is best known for its spectacular rings in their own right. These rings are made primarily of ice particles mixed with rocky material and dust. Despite its enormous size, Saturn is less dense than water. The planet is home to hundreds of known moons, many of which are fascinating worlds in their own right. NASA's Cassini mission transformed our understanding of Saturn and its moon system. Did you know Saturn's rings are incredibly wide but surprisingly thin?
Lalu selanjutnya, planet ketujuh yang akan kita lihat yaitu planet Uranus.
Uranus, the sideways planet.
Uranus berwarna biru, hijauan, dan memiliki sumbu rotasi yang miring. Seperti yang kita lihat. Dengan penjelasan seperti ini.
Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is classified as an ice giant. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side, likely due to a massive collision early in its history. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light. A season on Uranus can last more than 20 Earth years. Voyager 2 remains the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus. Did you know parts of Uranus can experience decades of continuous daylight followed by decades of darkness. Collision.
Lalu planet ke-8 yaitu planet Neptunus.
Neptune, the windiest planet.
Neptunus merupakan planet yang paling jauh dari matahari. Dengan penjelasan lengkap seperti ini.
Neptune, the windiest planet. Neptune is the 8th and most distant major planet in the solar system. This deep blue ice giant is famous for its powerful winds, some of the fastest ever recorded on any planet. Because Neptune is so far from the sun, sunlight there is much dimmer than on Earth. A year on Neptune lasts nearly 165 Earth years. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft that has ever visited Neptune. Did you know? Neptune was discovered through mathematical predictions before it was directly observed through a telescope.
Anak-anak, selain 8 planet utama, terdapat juga planet-planet kecil seperti Pluto, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, dan Eris. Nah, di sini contohnya ada planet Pluto, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea, dan Eris. Coba kita lihat satu-satu dari planet-planet kecil.
Pluto, a dwarf planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet located in the distant Kuiper belt beyond Neptune. Once considered the 9th planet, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its small size, Pluto has mountains, glaciers, plains, and a surprisingly active surface. Its largest moon, Charon, is so large compared to Pluto that the pair are sometimes described as a double dwarf planet system. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft gave humanity its first close-up look at Pluto in 2015. Did you know? A single year on Pluto lasts 248 Earth years. Ceres, a dwarf planet. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It is the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system and contains large amounts of water ice beneath its surface. Bright spots seen inside some craters were revealed to be deposits of salt. NASA's Dawn spacecraft spent several years studying Ceres from orbit. Did you know? Ceres contains roughly 1/3 of the total mass of the asteroid belt. Makemake, a dwarf planet. Makemake is a distant dwarf planet orbiting far beyond Neptune in the Kuiper belt. Its surface is covered with frozen methane and ethane, giving it a bright appearance. Makemake is one of the largest and brightest known objects in the outer solar system. Scientists continue to study it to better understand how distant icy worlds formed. Did you know? Sunlight reaching Makemake is hundreds of times dimmer than the sunlight we experience on Earth. Haumea, a dwarf planet. Haumea is one of the most unusual dwarf planets ever discovered. Its rapid rotation stretches it into an elongated shape, unlike any major planet. Haumea also possesses a ring system and 2 known moons. A day on Haumea lasts less than 4 Earth hours, making it one of the fastest spinning large objects in the solar system. Did you know? Haumea spins so quickly that its shape resembles a football rather than a sphere. Eris, a dwarf planet. Eris is one of the most massive dwarf planets known. Its discovery played a major role in the debate that eventually led to Pluto being reclassified as a dwarf planet. Eris follows a highly elongated orbit that carries it far beyond Pluto. Surface temperatures can drop below negative 240 degrees Celsius. Did you know 1 year on Eris lasts about 557 Earth years?
Nah, setelah kita mengenal tata surya dan planet-planetnya, sekarang kita akan menguji pemahaman kalian mengenai yang sudah kita pelajari melalui permainan di EducaPlay. EducaPlay itu merupakan website pembelajaran yang bisa kita gunakan. Sekarang Ibu sudah punya pin challenge yang sudah dibuat. Dengan challenge pinnya yaitu 840752. Jika sudah masuk ke websitenya, kita scroll ke yang paling bawah. Lalu di bawah ada tulisan game pin. Lalu kita pilih. Jika sudah, di sini kita bisa masukkan pin yang tadi sudah Ibu berikan. Anak-anak, sebelum kita mengakhiri pembelajaran yang sudah tadi Ibu sampaikan, sedikit mengulas tentang yang sudah kita pelajari tadi bahwa tata surya terdiri dari matahari dan benda-benda langit di sekitarnya. Lalu, matahari merupakan pusat dari tata surya yang dikelilingi oleh 8 planet di tata surya, yaitu Merkurius, Venus, Bumi, Mars, Jupiter, Saturnus, dan Uranus. Lalu bumi adalah tempat tinggal dari manusia dan seluruh makhluk hidup. Selain itu, setiap planet memiliki ciri yang berbeda-beda. Anak-anak, terima kasih atas partisipasi dan semoga pembelajaran yang sudah disampaikan tentang tata surya dapat kita pahami dan dapat menambah wawasan kita tentang alam semesta. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai jumpa.